Alright guys, I'm putting this video together for you as a kind of a toolbox challenge. John bought a gel. Just threw it out there if anybody wants to post videos of their toolboxes so that we can get an idea of what everybody's got out there. I'm going to show you my travel bag or my to-go toolbox. I've got a ton of tools, but this is the one I take with me everywhere I go. Maybe this will help some of you guys. This here is a Fat Max, Stanley Fat Max tool case. I'll close it up for you at the end, but I put everything in here that I think I might need, whether it's a mechanical issue or maybe an electrical issue. I take it with me when I go help somebody maybe fix a lawn tractor or do some wiring. I've got a small multimeter in here, little cordless drill. This screwdriver, I like these ratcheting screwdrivers, but this one here you can actually use it as a torque handle if you need to. Got my knife, my cuchillo, in case I need a razor knife. Wire marking tape, pipe tape, electrical connectors. This is a magnetic base flashlight in case I need to hook it up and stick it to something underneath my car or my truck. Got this is my flat tip electrical screw holder. Comes in handy when I need it. Go ahead and do a close-up. You guys can see kind of what I got in here. Headlamp for nighttime emergencies. All kinds of different sizes of screwdrivers. Ring pliers. Strippers. The only snap-on tool I have is this 3/8 drive ratchet. I got that from my kid. Other tools are a little on the cheaper brand. I don't know if I can see that brand. Those are Craftsman extensions. I also carry 1/2-inch drive stuff, little breaker bar, hose cutters, panels, plastic panel tool. These channel locks, vice grip channel locks. Anybody that doesn't have a set of these, I'd recommend getting a set of these. These things are sharp. I've broken the head off of small screws before and been able to get a hold of just the bare tip that's left in the hole and been able to back those out. These are good pliers. Electrical crimpers, full set of metric and standard Allen wrenches. Quarter-inch drive ratchet. Then I've got my quarter-inch drive sockets down here on the bottom.
Oh, there they are.
See them? 3/8 drive Torx socket style. Then on the other side here, got some rubber glovies, electrical tape. These are my sockets for 3/8 drive, 1/2-inch drive. I carry both metric and standard in here. It kind of makes the toolbox a little heavy to carry, pack around. But you never know what you're going to need. So I tend to pack it. I may take the 1/2-inch drive set out of here. I don't really use that. I haven't had an opportunity to use that. 3/8 seems to do fine.
But as soon as you take it out, you'll need it.
Probably. And then all my combination wrenches, both metric and standard. Speed swivel for the 1/4-inch bit type.
So what are these things on the side?
This is, my kid gave me these too. These are actually fishing pliers. They've got a cutter for fishing line. They're really tight up here on the tip, and so I like to carry these in my toolbox as well, just because these are an excellent set of needle nose for taking care of fine jobs, as well as some feeler gauges, you know, magnetic extension. And then I also throw this stuff here. This is one of those micro starts. I keep that in there. Just got to make sure you always keep these things charged up so you don't kill the batteries.
Jump start your car and your cell phone.
Yep. And my little cobalt bit set I keep in there as well, in case I need something odd that I don't have. And my little knuckle wrench I keep here in the cobalt kit. I've had to use these drill bits to take care of certain things that sometimes you just need a drill bit. And this kit works great with that little cordless drill that I pack around with it. But I'm going to use this kit to install the airbag set that I've got to put on Big Willie here. I've also got a backup camera.
That's Big Willie.
I've also got a backup camera that I'll be putting in my truck today. And I just got done installing the battery for the season in the hog there, my Road Glide. Got it fired up for the first time this morning, and I've got to change the rear tire on it, but I'm not gonna take care of that today. That's for another day. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys my toolbox. Oh, I've also got my socket style hex bits in the front there. I'll show you how this closes up. That's why I like this box, just because it closes up. Easy to pack. There you go. Now this Stanley Fat Max tool case has been discontinued. They're making something similar. They're making a similar style of this case, but it doesn't have as many pockets. It's a little smaller. And so if you guys want these, the only place I found these, matter of fact, I just ordered a spare that's coming from Great Britain, and there's not too many left around. So if you guys are interested in this particular tool case, you're gonna have to get one on the road pretty quick. Anyways, I hope this helps you guys out. Just a quick video on my travel kit. Maybe I'll do some on my bigger tools, who knows. Anyways, shout out to Bought a Gel for asking for people's toolkits. See you guys later.